Now, looking at the secondary sources, the secondary data is the data that has been collected in the past by someone else but are made available for others to use. So they are usually once primary data but have become secondary when used by a third party. The secondary data may be internal data, may be external data. Internal data, it's already available, may require further processing to make it useful for the current project, or it may be ready to use data. On the other side, external data may be published material, may be computerized databases, may be syndicated services. So many sources are available for our secondary data. The published secondary data may be a general business source. It's coming from general business source like guides, directories, indexes, statistical data, or maybe coming from governmental sources like census data and other government publications. The sources of secondary data is the internal corporate information, government agencies, trade and industry associations, marketing research firms, commercial publications, news media, so many other places are there where we can think of collecting the data. So the research sources, they can be books, periodicals, magazines, indexes, databases, internet, marketing consultants, marketing professionals. So many options are open, but only advantage of using secondary data is it is readily available. You don't have to spend time, resources, money and all that on them. Just use them. They are ready to use. But only problem may be they are not in the order you do require. So they may be in some other format, so may not directly fit to your requirements. So we may need to do some pre-processing before using these secondary data. Advantages: easily available. Disadvantages: may not fit directly to our requirements. So whatever is possible has to be extracted, and then if it doesn't match to our requirements, need to be transformed and then loaded for our use. So that's about secondary data and secondary data sources.